Hey guys, Susie here. I hope y'all are doing well today. And yeah, I went ahead and took my glasses off. I've been having to wear my glasses for like the last week or two. I don't know what is going on, but for some reason I just do not see as well in my contact lenses right now. I don't know if it's the lenses that I ordered and I just got a bad batch or something. I don't know, but they're definitely not the same as the ones I used to wear. And they're supposed to be, so I can see, like I can see right in front of me, but I see really, really terribly without my glasses on. So I'm going to do my best to get through this. And I'm also in my bedroom. I don't know why. I just, you know, for a change, I thought it'd be kind of fun to move to a different location today to film. So I'm just kind of chilling out on the floor in my bedroom and bringing to you guys today a Dollar Tree haul. So let's take a look and see what I got this week. I just want to mention that in my Dollar Tree, they did have some of the Rachael Ray dinnerware in there. They had the plates and mugs and a few bowls. However, I did not purchase any because, frankly, I have so many plates and bowls and cups and things that I don't even have room for anymore. Even if they are Rachael Ray and they are very nice. But personally, I can afford to go buy the whole box of Rachael Ray dinner plates. Like, for me to go and spend $1 a plate is a little bit ridiculous for me because I can pretty much go buy the entire set. So I didn't purchase them because I honestly don't need them. And also, if I really did want to get them, I would just go buy the whole set instead of just mixing and matching bits and bobs and pieces or whatever. But if you are on the lookout for those, they did have them at my Dollar Tree. So just check the Dollar Trees in your area and I'm sure you'll be able to find some. So first thing I picked up, and I picked up 2 of these, and these are going to be for my coworkers. They love these things. They've been asking me to pick some more up. They're the Colombiana breakfast biscuits, except I purchased the oats and honey flavor. I did not see the mixed berry flavor this time, which is what they were wanting. So hopefully they still like these as much. But these are really good, and they've really been a big hit with some of my coworkers. Also picked up a package of these gnocchis. I've picked these up before, and they are really good. I do like them. They're really easy and simple to make, so probably make some more of these for dinner this week. Also, I picked up this bag of these Cambridge and Thames, I think it's pronounced veggie chips. This is the classic potato, sweet potato, beetroot, and cassava chips in sea salt flavor. Never seen these in my Dollar Tree before, but I have seen them in other stores before, and they are not cheap. They are really good and really healthy for you, so went ahead and picked those up. Also picked up a box of this Act 2 movie theater butter popcorn. Never seen this brand in there before. They usually have that like Jolly Time or whatever, but they had the Act 2 popcorn, so I thought I'd pick that up. That has 3 bags of popcorn. And this is also something new. They had a sriracha in a buffalo wing flavor. It's the Austin's naturally flavored cracker sandwiches, and this is a pretty big box. There's 8 packs in here, and this is the buffalo wing flavor. They look pretty good, and I think I'm going to enjoy those, so I went ahead and picked those up. Also, I picked up one of this microwave egg cookers, the Kraken Eggs microwave egg cookers, with a double wall cup for cooler touch. It says dishwasher safe on the top rack and microwave oven safe and BPA free. So you're just supposed to put your eggs in there, scramble them, or do whatever you want to do. There's some kind of recipe guide in here. I've seen a lot of other people buying similar things in stores, and they were pretty expensive. So I went ahead and picked this one up. I think it's going to do just as good of a job. So if you all have tried that, let me know what you think about it. And then I also picked up a bag of these Haribo Gold Bears for my husband. You know, you guys know he loves his fruit snacks and gummy snacks. And this is the Double Bubble Bubble Gum, also going with me to work. And I apologize if I'm like kind of sleepy. It's because I'm taking round 2 of letrozole for our fertility stuff. And it really makes me kind of dizzy and a bit like out of it. And also kind of like tired. So I'm just kind of like, I'm ready for a nap, even though I woke up, you know, later. But anywho, I'm just saying, I'm fine. I'm really tired because of this medicine. Also picked up another one of these little shovels for using out in the garden. My one last year broke. These are not the most durable shovels. They're not very strong, especially if you're digging in some hard dirt like there is in my yard. But I did want to pick up another one of these because, I mean, I got at least 1 year's use out of it, so that was pretty good, I thought. And I also picked up one of these hole punch with a built-in paper catcher thing. This is going to be getting used mostly for my stationery stuff I've been making, so picked one of those up. And I also picked up this 8-pack of glue sticks, also for my stationery stuff. And there's 8 glue sticks in there, so that's a pretty good deal. I think these are probably going to work just as good as Elmer's or whatever. Usually it comes with 4, and this one had 8, so that's a pretty good deal. So I went ahead and picked that up. Also picked up one of these 36-piece paper pads. I already have a paper pad for my stationery stuff, but this one had cupcake paper and stuff, and it was really cute. So I'll just show you some of the, look at that cupcake paper. Super cute. Love that, and flamingos and stuff. So I picked that up also for my stationery. They had only one of these little chakra candles there. This is the heart one. It's Devotion and Compassion Soy Blend candle. And it actually really does smell pretty good. I really like the scent of it. I'm not sure how well they make the whole room smell, but I will let you guys know in another episode of Dollar Tree hauling, I'm sure. And then I also picked up a Suavitel Field Flowers fabric softener because we were out. And then moving on to the next bag. I picked up 2 of these little picture frame things. These are 2 photo frames. These are really cute. I love the way they have this little clip. So this one, it's got the little stand. This one has a dog that looks just like Muffin, which is really cute. But it's got like roses and little polka dots and things. Kind of reminds me of Betsy Johnson, which I really like. So I'll definitely be putting that somewhere, either in the house or at work. And then I also picked up this one, and this one is a marble one. Really cute, and I love how you just kind of stick your little photo in there. So picked up 2 of those. I picked up another candle. This one is the Island Mango Soy Blend candle, and I like this little jar that it comes in. Smells really good. Smells just like mango, so I went ahead and picked one of those up. Also picked up another Double Bubble. This is Double Bubble chewing gum in the cinnamon flavor. And I picked up this 3-piece planters set. So it's these little planters. And then they have like a little drainage tray that for each one in there. These smell like that stuff they like spray in your lawn when they're like the weed be gone or something. It's kind of funny, but anyway, I picked these up. I'm going to try to grow some more herbs this year in these little containers. So picked up some of these little planters. This was something new I never seen before. These are the Soft and Gentle Feminine Cleansing Cloths. And there's 32 of them, and this is the lavender scent. Very comparable, looks like, to the Summer's Eve Nighttime Cleansing Cloths. And these are alcohol-free and for sensitive skin. Picked up a pack of those. Also picked up one of these new passion fruit smoothie with soy milk protein shampoos from VO5. I love VO5 shampoos. I've been using one here the past couple weeks, and I absolutely love it. I love the way it makes my hair feel and just does a really good job. It doesn't dry my hair out either, so I picked up a bottle of that. finally they got some of those refills for that Almapay Petty Perfect, so I picked up one of those. They had a bunch of them, but I figured I haven't even actually used it yet, so I will at least have one little refill. So pick that up. Also picked up a Palmolive Essential Clean. This is the raspberry coconut scent. Haven't tried this one yet, but I'm sure I'll like it. I love Palmolive, and I don't know how it smells. Smells pretty good. Smells kind of raspberry, kind of coconutty a little bit, so picked one of those up, and that's a pretty good little size bottle as well. And then the last two things, they had a lot of new stuff, like the little unicorn headbands and all that stuff, but honestly I just really don't need that, so I did not pick it up. But I did pick up this Keep Smiling phone stand, and it says, I do not care, do not care, pretty much like a donut. I do not care, donut care, whatever. And then it's got the other little plastic piece there. So basically it's just a little phone stand. I think I'm going to actually put this on my nightstand for when I'm charging my phone and stuff. I can just set it on there, or if I'm like watching something on my phone. So yeah, I went ahead and picked one of those up. And then the last thing I picked up is this little phone pouch, and it's one of those like reversible phone pouch thingamajigs. And I originally wasn't going to really pick this up, but then when I thought about it, sometimes I go walking with Muffin and I don't have anything to put my phone in, and it's sequined, the back is just black. They had purple or silver, and I normally don't like to get things that are purple, but this one just kind of looked nicer than the silver. So it's a little pouch, and you just stick your phone in there, and then it also has like a long string. Yeah, like a long string, so you can kind of put it across your body and like carry your, phone in there. And this one, when you, flip it up, it does the whole, silver thing, which is kind of cool. So you can put it back or whatever. But yeah, I went ahead and got one of these basically just for when I walk with Muffin and I want to carry my phone with me, but I don't want to have to like hold it the whole time. So you put it in there. So yeah, that's everything I picked up at Dollar Tree this week. I did find a lot of new items. I'm kind of still waiting for some of the summer stuff. They haven't put a lot of that out yet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.